Hi, I'm Ezebulu Cassandra, a project manager and automation expert. In this project, I built a complete form to email automation system for service requests using Airtable. The challenge was to capture client service requests through a form, calculate base cost, total cost, priority score, and due date automatically, and then send the right email notification to customers and internal teams. Here's how I solve it step by step.
Firstly, I set up a structured Airtable base with fields for customer name, request ID, email address, service type, quantity, and urgency level. Then, I created a formula to calculate the base cost, total cost, processing days, priority score, and finally, the due date. For you to calculate the base cost, if the service type is basic, then it's quantity multiplied by 50. If the service type is premium, then it's quantity multiplied by 150, and if the service type is enterprise, then it's quantity multiplied by 200. For the priority score, if the urgency level is critical, then it's 1. If it's high, then it's 3. If it's medium, it's 7. Then if it's low, then it means that the processing days is 14. Next, I built a branded Airtable form that captures all the client's details. Look here, we have the Airtable form that captures the detail of the client, which include the customer name, the email address, service type, quantity, urgency level, submission, and date. So once this form is being filled, it automatically populates in the Airtable database. Finally, I automated the workflow. Here are the two automations I did. The first one here says when a record is created, send an email. So it simply means that once a customer fills the form populates on the Airtable database, and once the form is being populated, an email is automatically being sent to the customer, telling the customer that we've already gotten the request and we will get back to the customer in a specific day. Then the second email here says when a record is created. Now here there is a condition, and the condition is if priority score is greater than or equal to 7, which means it will have to start from 7. Send an email. Now you're not sending an email to the customer, you're sending an email to an internal team member who has been assigned to do the job.
With this system, the client now has real-time request tracking, zero manual calculations, and instant notification, and reducing processing time by more than 70%. If you're looking for someone to design and automate workflow like this to save time and improve efficiency, I'll be happy to help. Thank you and bye.